Welcome to my channel. My name is Popka Innocent. On this channel, Grow with Popka, we discuss everything YouTube. How to create your YouTube channel, grow and monetize your YouTube channel. If this interests you, then go ahead and click on the subscribe button below if you have not subscribed. Turn on the bell notification so that you don't miss my next valuable video. Introduce yourself at the comment section. Just click on the comment section below and introduce yourself so that I can give you a special shout out. In this video, I will show you how you can add thumbnail to your videos. Video thumbnails plays a special role for people to click on your videos, so it's necessary you add thumbnails to your video to help your video get more clicks. So ensure you watch this video to the end, and I will show you the step-by-step process how to add video thumbnails to your YouTube videos. Go to Play Store or App Store. Click on the search bar, type in YouTube Studio. You will see YouTube Studio app here. Click on it. This is the YouTube Studio app. You can see that mine is showing open here because I've already downloaded it. If it is not on your phone, then you are going to see install here. Go ahead, click on the install. After installing, click on open. It will open up like this. At the bottom here, you are going to see content. Go ahead and click on content. Right here, you will see all the videos that you have uploaded. You can see that these other videos already have thumbnail, but this one does not have thumbnails. I'm going to show you how you can add video thumbnail to your YouTube video. Since I want to add the video thumbnail to this particular video, I will click on this video now. Right here, you will see this edit icon. Click on the edit icon. It will take you to this interface. You will still see another edit icon here. Click on that edit icon. You will see this custom thumbnail. Go ahead and click on custom thumbnail. Before you get here, you must have designed your YouTube video thumbnail. Right here, you are going to see all the images you have on your mobile phone gallery. Here is the video thumbnail design I want to upload, so I'll select this one. You can see the video thumbnail here. Go ahead and click on done. Now that the video thumbnail has been added, go ahead and click on this save button and your edits have been saved. Now let's go back and see if the video thumbnail has been added properly. Click on this back button. Here is the video and you can see that the video thumbnail has been added successfully. Do well to like this video and drop a comment to encourage me. I would like to get a feedback from you. After watching this video and you applied it, were you able to do it or not? Comment below. Don't forget to like this video, give this video a thumbs up and comment below. If you have not subscribed to the channel, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and click on the subscribe button below so that you don't miss my next video as soon as I publish them. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.